We offer programs in culinary arts, hotel operations, event management and travel and tourism management.
Food is something that you can travel the world with. I think it's the language that everybody understands.
A hotel and catering, no matter what sector you come up in, is something you can take globally with you.
We've done modules in tour operating practices and travel agency practices, as well as business modules and marketing modules, so they all help towards it.
Courses like this are hugely important. Right now what's driving a lot of the economy is experiential events. The millennials are demanding experiential events, so the opportunities are huge. That's set to continue into the future.
I really liked working with tours, working with people. I had looked into the course here in Tralee as I'm living in Tralee, and I just found that it just offered a great number of different areas within the tourism industry.
If they've got the interest and the passion, we'll do the rest. Once they've got the grassroots from college, the fundamentals that they need to know to help them make management decisions and give them a focus on leadership, we can look after the rest. We'll guide them.
The skills you learn here, you can move and just evolve in so many parts of the world with it.
From doing the third year, I've explored different avenues beyond the kitchen, such as food product development, food photography, blogging, and moving in towards more pastry with the advanced pastry course.
At the end of the day, it's a superb career, and I couldn't have, endorsed it enough for any young people coming out of college.